and click on the notification bell so you won't miss me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is M, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about laundry folding tips and some hacks. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, please click on the like button so I know and will make more organizing videos for you. Subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you won't miss out when I upload new videos. Alright, today I will show you a couple of tips, tricks, and some hacks on how you can fold your laundry and make your life easy. Let's start! As you can see, this drawer is really messy. Sobrang naghalo-halo na yung mga boxers, sa shirts, yung pang-alis, sa pambahay, hindi mo na siya ma-identify. So, I will show you a couple of tips and tricks kung paano natin siya pwedeng i-organize. Here's how I fold boxer shorts para mas maliit lang yung space na kakainin niya dun sa drawer. And then for the shirt, medyo liliitan din natin yung pagka-fold niya. Tapos, gagawin natin siyang parang filing system in the drawer, which I will show you in the next clip. Ayan, parang filing system na siya para mas madali rin ma-identify kung ano yung damit na yun. And you don't need to check under nung shirt para hindi na siya madaling magulo. And then for the boxers, nasa isang container na lang siya, so it's easier to access as well. For my underwear, I do the same folding technique kasi I also use baskets when containing it para hindi siya halo-halo dun sa iba kong mga damit. Mahilig ka ba sa tibak or tong? You can also use the same folding technique para mas maliit siya. And of course, pag binuksan yung cabinet mo or yung closet mo, hindi siya yung kitang-kita kaagad. This is the basket that I use for my underwear. And then, niligyan ko rin siya ng label. For my bras, I also use a basket. And ang ginagawa ko is, hinihiwalay ko yung strapless dun sa may mga strap. And then, I chose this specific basket para hindi made-deform yung shape ng mga bra. Kasi as you can see, wired bras sila. So, mas ma-maintain niya yung shape niya kung nasa magandang lalagyan siya. And then, of course, nilagyan ko rin siya ng label. For the socks, this is how I fold it para maliit na space lang din yung kinakain niya sa closet. Ito naman is for yung foot sock or yung foot cover. So, this is the trick that I do to fold it.
For jackets or long sleeves, hindi ko siya hinahanger ng normal kasi nagkakaroon ng bakat sa shoulders. So, this is how I do it para rin hindi siya madaling mahulog sa hanger. For my spaghetti strapped blouses, I use this kind of hanger para hindi rin siya kumakain ng malaking space sa closet ko. And mas madali siyang makita, so it's not gonna be difficult for me na hanapin yung mga kailangan kong blouse, lalo na pag nagmamadali. Now for the fitted sheets, yung mga cover kama natin dyan na garterized, malamang fitted sheet nga, diba? This is how I fold it. Sobrang maliit na space na lang yung kailangan mo to store it kasi maayos na yung pagkaka-fold niya. And then, what I do dun sa mga kapartner niya na pillowcases, ganyan, I get one pillowcase and then pinagsasama-sama ko yung fitted sheet. If you have flat sheet, sama mo na rin yun. And then, nilalagay ko siya sa isang pillowcase. So, I know pag kinuha ko, isang buong set na yung nandun. Plus, syempre, pag finold mo na siya ng maayos, sobrang andiit ng space na kakainin niya. And then, you can stack it as well.
Did you enjoy the video? If you have comments and suggestions and more hacks, please comment down below. We would love to know your suggestions. Let me know what other organizing topics you would like to see on my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and keep in mind that there's always something to be grateful for. Thanks for watching. Bye! Up here!